Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use app directly in ChatGPT. Okay, first of all guys, you can open ChatGPT. You can visit chatgpt.com or you can open the ChatGPT application. And after you have opened ChatGPT, you can go to this explore menu. Okay, and then here you can search the app that you want to use. And for example, I'm going to use Canva in ChatGPT. So we can search Canva, or we can just scroll down until we find the Canva application. Okay, and it's still loading. Or actually, we can immediately click Canva. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this one, guys. And we can use Canva immediately in this ChatGPT. For the other apps, you can just search it. And I'm going to use the recommended prompt. Okay, I'm going to choose this prompt. You can add your prompt, guys, and Canva will create something that you need. And wait, I'm going to add relaxation. Okay, you need to explain it in detail, actually, but yeah, this is just for an example. Okay, and this is the prompt. And wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, done, and this is the result. We have two options, and you can immediately open it on Canva. And yeah, we have 4 options. Okay. And okay guys, that's how we can use application directly in ChatGPT. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!